Stop wasting money on 10 different tools that never talk to each other. MarketSuite lets you build funnels, run automations, send emails, host webinars, sell courses, and manage your entire business from one dashboard. If you're tired of tech headaches, this might be exactly what you need. Here's my honest take. MarketSuite is the first beginner-friendly system that actually replaces expensive monthly software. You can build a complete online business without paying for ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or ActiveCampaign. It's affordable, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who wants automation without the usual complexity. MarketSuite is an all-in-one cloud platform for online business owners. It builds funnels, emails, automations, courses, memberships, and webinars in minutes. Who it's for? Beginners who want a simple, affordable system, affiliate marketers who want to build funnels quickly, coaches and service providers who need scheduling and automations, and anyone tired of paying for 10 different tools. Common problem it solves. Most beginners say, I don't know how to build funnels, or I don't know how to automate follow-ups. MarketSuite removes that problem. The AI builds the funnel, writes the emails, schedules the workflows, and handles everything from one screen. Now, let me take you through the dashboard so you can see how it works. When you log in, you land on the main control panel. Here you can access funnels, email marketing, CRM, automations, courses, webinars, and appointments. Let's start with funnels. Click Create New Funnel. Now choose a template or use the AI Builder. If you use AI, just type what you are selling and MarketSuite generates the pages, the copy, and the structure. Next, email marketing. This is where you create broadcast emails, sequences, and automated campaigns. MarketSuite includes a drag-and-drop editor and smart segmentation, so you can tag leads based on behavior. Then automations. This is powerful. You can create workflows triggered by events like signups, purchases, clicks, or abandoned carts. This lets MarketSuite follow up with leads without you doing anything manually. Now, courses. Upload your lessons, add modules, set pricing, and publish your entire course platform in minutes. Finally, appointments. This replaces Calendly. You can set up your booking calendar, add availability, and integrate automated reminders. Everything is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly.
There was a man named Adam. He had a good offer, a great message, and more ambition than most people could understand. But every time he tried to grow his business, he ended up inside another platform. ClickFunnels for pages, Kajabi for courses, Calendly for calls, Zapier for duct tape. One app led to another. One solution created 3 new problems. He was running a business, but living inside dashboards, tabs, settings, automations, errors. On paper, he was doing everything right. In reality, he was moving backward until one day he shut it all down. He logged out of every account, canceled every subscription, and opened one new tab.
MarketSuite.
That's when everything changed. In 2 hours, Adam rebuilt his entire business. Funnels, emails, automations, calendar, webinars, client onboarding, payment flows, CRM, all of it. He didn't need a VA, didn't need a tutorial, didn't need Zapier to stitch things together. For the first time in years, the machine just worked. And it didn't just work. It scaled. Hey, my name is Siyun, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you
MarketSuite. MarketSuite
isn't another tool. It's the system that should have existed from the start. It replaces everything that slows you down and gives you the speed, clarity, and control you've never actually had before. Funnels that don't just look good. They come pre-built, logic-ready, optimized, email and SMS campaigns that generate themselves based on goals, behavior, and data, not guesswork. A CRM that doesn't just track, but responds, follows up, closes, appointments synced, webinars hosted, courses delivered, automations that think, systems that move, outcomes that compound. One login, one brain, one dashboard.
MarketSuite
Replaces ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Kajabi, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, GoToWebinar, Zapier, Twilio, Aweber, HubSpot. It doesn't patch them, it erases the need for them. Because the future of business isn't having 10 tools, it's having one that actually works. Now maybe you're not a tech person. Maybe you failed before. Maybe you've tried all the platforms, followed all the gurus, and nothing's stuck. It doesn't matter.
MarketSuite.
Isn't built for one type of person. It's built for the creator who's tired of not creating, the coach who's too busy configuring, the consultant who needs more time, the founder who can't scale because the systems keep breaking, the freelancer who wants to look like $1 million agency, and the beginner who wants a real shot without paying $1,200 a month for the privilege of trying. Here,
Let me how easy it is to get started with MarketSuite. Create your MarketSuite account.
get instant access to the full all-in-one platform funnels, CRM, email, webinars, appointments, automation, and more. Step 2,
Choose what you want to launch. Pick your goal and MarketSuite's AI builds everything for you.
pages, automations, emails, upsells, and even scheduling. Step 3, launch and scale. Run your entire business from one dashboard. Sell courses, host webinars, send emails, create funnels, automate growth, and never pay for another tool again. This isn't about software. This is about finally having the power that was gatekept behind monthly paywalls, half-broken features, and business coaches who sold you templates instead of solutions. It's about launching in minutes, not months. It's about never starting from scratch again. It's about closing your 12 open tabs and opening one.
MarketSuite gives you your time back.
Clarity back, your execution power back, because when everything works, so do you. This is your moment to break free from the mess they've convinced you is normal, to move like someone who isn't figuring things out anymore, they're building, to finally feel what it's like when a system doesn't fight you, it fires with you.
MarketSuite.
Isn't a software upgrade, it's the end of doing business the hard way. So go ahead, click on the link below,
And secure your spot with MarketSuite before it gets sold out.
because trust me, it will, and faster than you think. We don't want to overload our servers, so we can only allow so many people in. Once we reach our limit, it's gone for good. And in case you are worried, you're fully protected by our 30 days ironclad money-back guarantee. If for any reason
You don't think MarketSuite is worth its weight in gold.
just send us a message and we will refund every penny you paid. No questions. So what are you waiting for? Click on the button below, create your account, and I will see you on the other side.
MarketSuite has optional upgrades. They are not required, but they make things faster and easier. Upgrade 1, MarketSuite Unlimited, around $67. Removes all limits, unlimited funnels, emails, contacts, and automations. Upgrade 2, MarketSuite Done For You, around $297. You get Done For You funnels, emails, pages, and campaigns preloaded into your account. Upgrade 3, MarketSuite Automation, around $47. Unlocks advanced workflows, triggers, and AI-powered logic. Upgrade 4, Income Maximizer, around $47. Adds upsells, order bumps, and conversion boosters to increase revenue. Upgrade 6, Limitless Buyer Traffic, around $97. Adds traffic tools and built-in buyer sources for fast results. Upgrade 7, Cloned Affiliate Profits, around $67. You get pre-built affiliate funnels you can plug your links into. Upgrade 8, Mobile Payday, around $47. Adds mobile-optimized funnels and push notifications. Upgrade 9, Reseller License, around $197. Sell MarketSuite as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Upgrade 10, Done For You Profit Site, around $47. You get a ready-made affiliate website with content and monetization built in. When you pick up MarketSuite through the link below, you get a premium bonus bundle designed to help you get traffic, leads, and sales faster. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Bonus 6, Sales Page Recycler. Bonus 7, Action Poll. Bonus 8, Article Analyzer. Bonus 9, Website Pouch Pro. Bonus 10, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Bonus 11, 100 ready-made niche blogs. Bonus 12, Pin Marketer. Bonus 13, Sochi Buzzinar. And bonus 14, FB Live Voter. These bonuses alone can save you hundreds of dollars and speed up your results dramatically. They are only available for a short time, so make sure to click the link below before the countdown ends. Here's the bottom line. MarketSuite is the easiest and most complete all-in-one platform for beginners who want a simple way to launch a profitable online business. For the price, it's a no-brainer. Other platforms charge hundreds per month. MarketSuite gives you lifetime access for a one-time payment. The bonuses and discounts are limited. Once the timer expires or the spots sell out, they're gone. Click the link below to secure your access and claim your bonus package before it disappears. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want a full tutorial. After you purchase MarketSuite using the link below, check your email for instant access to all your bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.